Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today, as you can see, we are going to do something special. At the request of boys from Shunartori Model School, we have organized a football match. Football is also my favorite game. I like football more than cricket. Finally, everything is ready. Our playground is prepared. Both teams are ready to play. The players are getting instructions, and the game is about to begin very soon. The teacher of Shunartori Model School offered me the responsibility to be the referee, but honestly, guys, I'm not very good at refereeing. Now the match is started, and you can see the students are playing very well. Today's weather is also perfect for football. No rain, no sunshine, just great weather. We have given two fun names to the teams. One is Brazil, and the other is Argentina. Actually, I'm an Argentina supporter, but unfortunately, Argentina lost the match by one goal and Brazil won by scoring one goal. The team we named Argentina lost, so we are giving them medals as a token of encouragement. Everyone knows that winning and losing are part of football. There's no benefit in feeling sad about it. In fact, we should learn from failure. We should learn from our mistake that already we made. And the winning team, Brazil, is also being awarded medals for the victory. We should also learn from win so that we can perform even better in future and continue to be champions. Finally, I am handing over the runner-up trophy to the Argentina team. I know they are a bit sad after losing. It's very natural. Now I'm giving the champions prize to Brazil. They are very happy today, as you can see, guys. And Imran from Team Brazil scored the only goal of the match and became the man of the match. Look, guys, how happy they are all.